This is Unboxing Tech, and I'm here with the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro in this video. We'll be trying out all the Ringke cases and screen protectors I have with me, so you can see if Ringke is the right brand for your new phone. Let's get started. First off, this is the Ringke Fusion case. It's a pretty standard hybrid case made of flexible TPU sides and a hard PC back. The case snaps on really easily over the phone, as you can see here. Here's a view of all four sides with all the cutouts and buttons. You can see that there's a lanyard strap hole on either side of the case for wrist straps or charms. The buttons are covered, but are still super easy to press. On the front screen are these lifted edges at the top and bottom. I already have a screen protector on, so this is the amount of lift with a screen protector. On the back, we have the camera, and as you can see, the cutout is just around the camera lenses and flash area. The rest of the camera bar is covered up. There's still an ample lift around the lenses for that extra protection. The Ringke Fusion case is slim and lightweight with a simple look overall. I have it in the regular glossy clear that's well known to show off fingerprints pretty easily. If you're bothered by smudges on the back of your phone, you can go for the Ringke Fusion matte instead. There isn't any shine on the back, so it's a bit duller compared to the regular clear, but this also means it'll show off fingerprints a whole lot less. The specs of the two cases are identical, and it's more of a cosmetic difference, so you can choose either one you prefer without worrying if one is better than the other. They're both great cases. Next up, we have the Onyx case. The Onyx case is made solely of TPU, so it's super flexible all around. TPU is also very lightweight, so this case won't bulk up or weigh down your phone at all. Here's a view of all four sides, so you can check out all the cutouts. The lanyard holes are on both sides of the case, and the buttons are covered up and easy to press. I also want to bring attention to the sides of the case as well. Along the sides are these textured dots that have anti-slip properties that make it easy to grab your phone and just keep it in your hand. This is probably one of the best parts of the Onyx case. Here are the lifted edges near the screen to protect the front screen against accidental drops or if you just like putting your phone face down. On the back, with the camera cutouts, you can see that it's very cleanly designed to show just the camera lenses and the flash. The rest of the area is covered up and protected with a lift around the camera as well. This is another great case with a bit of a rugged look and excellent protective measures all around. It comes in black, green, and blue. This video doesn't just end with cases. I have screen protectors too. This particular Ringke tempered glass screen protector is for the Pixel 8 Pro. It has 9H hardness, HD resolution, touch precision, and an anti-chip function. Within each box, you get 2 screen protectors, and all the other necessary stuff to install. Feel free to skip this part using the video chapters function if you don't need my instructions. If you're sticking around, let's make sure to clean off the screen with the wet wipe first. Then, use the tape to pick up any leftover dust pieces. Now, this is an installation jig that comes included with the screen protector. It's a simple tool that has two prongs at the end in different shapes. One is for the Type-C port, and the other is for the Lightning port. As the Pixel 8 uses the Type-C port, we'll choose this end. Now, on the actual screen protector, you'll see that on the bottom it has this extra appendage with 4 holes in it. These holes will line up with the pegs on the jig, so you just need to fit them through accordingly. Replace the cap back on to hold it in place, and remove the bottommost plastic layer to reveal the sticky side. Then, just let it fall into place. The adhesive should start sticking, but you can use the squeegee to encourage it to lay flat. Don't worry about it too much though. Then remove the top layer. And use the squeegee again to work out all the other smaller bubbles. This is the final product. The glass looks and feels super clean and smooth, and it's also compatible with Ringke cases for a very close edge-to-edge protection. As mentioned on the box, the touch precision and swipe functions don't seem to have any problems, and I didn't notice any issues with the display quality as well. All in all, this is a pretty standard glass screen protector, but it does feel worth the price, and it's a great option to be ensured compatibility with any Ringke case as well. Another option, if you aren't into the glass screen protector game, is the Ringke Dual Easy Film. This one is for the Pixel 8. It comes with 2 screen protectors and a kit for all your installation needs. The first step of installation is the same as before. Go ahead and use the wet wipe to clean the screen of smudges. Let's take a look at the screen protector. The Dual Easy Film is made of transparent PET, so it's a very flexible screen protector with self-healing properties. It's thinner and more lightweight than glass, so it's great for people who prefer a more subtle look on their devices. If you look at each of the tabs, you'll see that they're numbered to make it easy to figure out how to install it. Let's take up tab number 1 first. Now, instead of a dust remover tape, there's a slightly sticky layer underneath tab 1 that's meant to pick up pieces of dust. Just press on this layer thoroughly first to make sure you're really grabbing everything. Then, pick up tab 2 at the top and push out the top half with the squeegee. Remove the bottom half from the installation jig and do the same. I wouldn't worry too much about bubbles here. Go ahead and remove the last top layer and you'll be able to get a clearer view of how the screen protector was installed. And here's the finished product. It has a clean finish, and with how thin it is, it's a bit difficult to tell that there's even a screen protector on, but I swear it's there. The intended audience for the Dual Easy is definitely for people who prioritize slimness. If you're an adventurous type who actually enjoys the feel of the natural phone without a case, I would recommend at least putting this screen protector on. It's subtle, it feels very smooth, and it functions very well as well. you're a normal person, the Dual Easy film is also compatible with Ringke screen protectors, and from just eyeballing how much cover there is, I'd imagine it should also work with other brand cases as well, though I can't guarantee it. These are both great screen protector options, and you'll just have to choose which type is best suited for you. And those are all the cases and accessories I have for the Pixel 8 from Ringke. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for sticking around with me until the end. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!